Hi friends, today I am going to teach you how to copy data from one table to another table without any duplication. Before going to this video, if you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell button. So for copying two tables, first we have to choose our source table, which is I have selected student record. In that table I am having register number, student name, class, section, father name and then address. So all this column should be created in your destination table also. So I am creating my destination table. What are the columns available in my source table? So register number, student name, class, section, father name and then address. So what are the data types we have used in the source table? That data type should be also be used in our destination table also, because any change of data type also may disturb our data to store in our table. To avoid that problems, we have to choose the data type what we are using in our source table. That should be used in our destination table also. So here I have completed my destination table. Destination table has been created. So I am saving this table as student new. So, student new table. So I have saved this table. So now I am going to verify what are the data available in my table. This is newly created table, so there is no data available in my table. Only the fields which is having in our source table, that fields are available in my destination table also. So tables are created. Now we are going for query. For creating query, first we have to choose our destination table. My destination table is student new table, and then we have to choose our source table. So I'm choosing my destination table. I'm changing my type as insert query. So insert into, what is already available, a normal insert query is used here. Insert into student new, register number, student name, class, section, father name and then address. So values we are going to pick up from our source table, that is student new table. So all the columns should be copied from student new table. So after we are going to change our query after values only. So values, select register number, student name, class, section, father name and then address from our student record table, because we are going to choose the records from student record and then that records is going to be pasted in student new table. So I am verifying my SQL query. So executing SQL query. There is an error it is showing. So wait for to rectify this error. So I have missed the table name. So I'm typing my table name from student new student record. So destination source is student record. That table name is I'm typing. So it's over. So what is the concept is we are going to insert the data from student record to student new table. So insert query is used for student new table and select query is used for student record table. So data is available in our student record that are selected and pasted to student new table. So we are verifying the student new table that records are available. What are the records available presented in student record table? That records are pasted in our student new table. So these will be very useful for bulk records. So if you want to create a bulk records, that is 1,000 data or 500 data, that data cannot be copied very easily. So using this query we can copy how many thousands of records in a bit of seconds. So this will be very useful to you. So if you have any doubt in this video, please give your doubts in my comment page, and don't forget to subscribe this video. Don't forget to